I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm at apartment 4312, a one bedroom in Tower 4, looking east toward the Willis Tower. And a sliver view of Lake Michigan. Turning around into an angled living dining area, plank flooring throughout the living areas, and toward that second wall of windows, looking out to the north over the River North and Fulton River districts. Plenty of space to lay out a variety of furniture in this room. We have a pass-through into the kitchen. White quartz counter. Very efficient U-shaped kitchen. This built-in microwave and dishwasher. It's a stainless steel undermount sink with a gooseneck faucet and spray attachment. White quartz counters. Espresso tone cabinetry. This is one of a variety of finished packages that you'll find at Presidential Towers. Looking toward the entryway is a coat closet that would have been off to your left as you walked in. Bath would be off to your right. It's a soaking tub shower combination. Vanity has an integrated quartzite look sink. Vanity with mirror up above. Bedroom is carpeted and spacious enough to accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. And you have that view out to the east from your bedroom. Presidential Towers has a close to everything location, a variety of apartments with varied finishes, extensive amenities. You definitely want to have Presidential Towers on your must-see list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.